guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the way that I look today, it's a little crazy, but this is just my intro. The rest of the video will be me showing you guys how I do my nails at home. These are fake nails. They're not like traditional acrylics because it's not like the powder and the liquid and stuff, it's just the glue-on ones, but they last really well on me as long as I do everything right. So yeah, this is what my nails look like. The camera isn't focusing very well, but you guys will see at the end of the video. Anyways, if you want to see how I do my nails at home for really cheap, then continue watching. Everything will be linked in the description box down below that I used in this video, so you don't need to worry about that. I will say before we start the video just a couple of tips. One of the big things that does make a difference, I don't do this all the time because I can't always, but if you don't get your nails wet for a couple of hours before and a couple of hours after, maybe like 2 hours, that you do your nails, it definitely does help to keep them on because you're kind of reducing the amount of moisture that is on your nails. So just a tip, but I can't do it all the time because gotta keep my hands clean. Everything all together in this video was under $30, which is what it costs to go and get your nails done professionally, and sometimes it's even more than that. Plus that takes a couple of hours, and with this you can do it so many times over. You don't have to worry about them coming off and then you just paid $30 for 2 weeks. You can actually do it over and over and over again with these products. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it in this video. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so down below and give this video a thumbs up. If it is helpful or you enjoy it, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you will try this or not. And we're just going to go ahead and jump into this nail tutorial. Okay, so I didn't feel like doing a voiceover, so I'm just going to talk through it. These are the nails that I use. I got them from Amazon. I will link them down below as well as all of these other things that I'm using. I'll leave them linked in the description. All of this stuff is from Amazon. This is the Beauty and Salon Nail Art Mock Art Coffin Nails. I did order the ballerina nails, but these say coffin on them, so I'm not sure. And then I have this nail clipper, which is absolutely amazing. I love this. I did not know you can buy them. I've seen them use them at the nail salon, you know, when they're trimming your nails shorter, but I found it on Amazon. I love it. It's amazing because it cuts your nails straight, so you don't have to worry about trying to like do that with a nail clipper because it just cuts it straight, so it's like a perfectly straight nail. And then I have these nail files that I will also leave linked down below. I'll try to find the same ones. It doesn't really matter. These are basically just 100 to 180 grit, I think it is. And that's just what I saw recommended for acrylics or fake nails or whatever. This is the nail glue that I use. This is the Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. I got this in a 3-pack on Amazon, and this stuff is really good. I picked out all of my sizes over here because in this bag, I think it comes with like 500 nails or something. Yeah, 500 nails, and they have little baggies that are numbered with the different sizes. So I picked all of mine out that fit my nails. You just have to check and see what fits your nails. I have really, really tiny nails and fingers, so mine are tiny. Since I've already clipped my nails, the first thing that I'm gonna do is just file down the tops of my nails, kind of to create some grit, I guess. Just so that the nail can like stick better almost. It just has something to stick to. So we're just going to do this to all of the nails, and then I will glue them on with that glue. And like I said, this just gives the nails some grit. So we're going to go through and glue all of them on now. And I'm just going to hold this down for a good 20-30 seconds because we want to make sure that it definitely sticks on there. So that's a tip. Don't just hold it down until you think it's sticking. Just hold it down for a good 20-30 seconds so you know that it's gonna stay on there effectively. Okay, now that we have these long clear claws, before I go into the next hand and start gluing nails on, I'm going to take my clipper and I'm going to clip these down because I'm just not really one for claws, and I'm going to do that right now so it's easier to glue them onto the other hand. I'm going to start with my thumb here and just going to, basically with this thing you just, maybe that was a little bit short. So first two I did a little bit shorter than I planned, but I think it'll be okay. I usually like my nails a little shorter anyway, at least shorter than a lot of people. So I'll do the shaping and everything with the file then later, but first I'm gonna go ahead and glue on all of these nails. Okay, now that my nails are all clipped to the right length and still looking crazy, I'm actually going to take the clipper again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip on the sides, because since these were such long nails, they really only tapered into that coffin shape at the end. So now I've clipped off so much length, I kind of need to recreate that. So I'm going to take my clipper and I'm going to kind of slant it sideways and just basically just clip off that side there. That's kind of, that piece is going to go flying, but that's okay. I'm just going to do that on both sides of the nail, trying to make it seamless so that it's not like super obvious that I clipped it off. Okay, and now that we've done that to all the nails, we're going to go back in and do some real shaping with the nail file, and I'm just going to file down the sides and the top and make sure everything is smooth and even. This is obviously personal preference. Like if you want square nails, you can just leave them square and you don't have to cut the sides off, but this is just what I like. I like a really kind of elongated, narrow nail that has a nice coffin shape to it, but that's still square at the tip. All right, now that all of that stuff is done, we're gonna do the fun part and we're gonna paint the nails. This is like the shape of my nails. Hopefully you can see that, but I'm gonna paint them and then I'll show them to you anyways. I cannot find my white nail polish anywhere or my Such Vide top coat, which is what I really like to use. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild One Step Wonder gel polish in the shade Pinky Swear. It's just a really nice light pink shade. And then I'm just going to use a Sally Hansen Big Quick Dry top coat. This isn't what I would usually use, but I can't find my Such Vide top coat. So these are the products I'm going to use on my nails today. I'm just going to go ahead and paint them, and I'll speed this part up for you guys, of course. Something about fake nails makes it so easy and fast to paint your nails. It just is so much easier. Wow, that nail polish is a little bit older and goopier than I thought it was, so that took longer than I expected. But this is what my nails look like right now. I really like them. I love this baby pink color because I just think it's so feminine and pretty. I do also really like white nails, like I said earlier, but I love this baby pink shade. So I'm gonna go in with the top coat now. Hopefully this dries pretty fast. Let them dry. Okay, I did just step away for a few minutes to let my nails dry, so I think they're pretty much dry now. And this is what they look like. We'll see if we can get the camera to focus. So, like I said, I really like this really light baby pink color. And wow, I'm really impressed with these nails today. I actually like them more than I usually do. Alright guys, that was everything. I really hope that this video was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe down below if you have not already. That would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!